relevance of the miqat when it comes to Umrah, what it is, why you go there, and just what is miqat?
Well, miqat, like I'm sure you know, but you're just asking me for public to hear more about it. It's a position where the Holy Prophet always stop over to make the intention and maybe perform 2 rakats and the mosque will then proceed. So since the Sahabas have seen the Prophet doing that, it has become a tradition. It's just like part and parcel of the process of performing Umrah. You have to stay there, perform 2 rakats. Some perform bath, but there are some just do the ablution and they do the 2 rakats and you make your intention. As you are aware, intention is always the basis of anything you have to do. The intention counts. If the intention is not there, the work will not be alright. So that's where the miqat is where it's not perform 2 rakats, then we make an intention of proceeding to Makkah for the Umrah.
Thank you for all your
Inshallah, I will do that for the whole Muslim world.
Yes, inshallah. Thank you so much.